If you're looking for a home-based business, then stay with me for a moment as I go over why this home business opportunity is so powerful. And whether you're simply looking to add a little extra income or striving for complete financial independence, this is a great option for you. Now, I understand you may have hit a point of complete frustration. Tried a few that failed, you're searching the internet over and over and simply not finding anything that fits you. Every home-based business opportunity you come across is either too new to trust, asking for startup investment, doing surveys, secret shopping, other low-end home business opportunities that barely pay anything, and now you feel like you're sinking into an endless black hole of yuck and you've gotten to the point where you just want to scream. It's okay. Take a deep breath. We got you. Our home-based business opportunity here at Merchant Cash Fast is quite unique. High commissions, you can work it from home when you want, via the phone, internet, or direct mail. You can even go out and hit the streets when you want to get some air. It is that flexible. There's plenty of free training and support over the phone, not just to get you started. You also get continuing support and training after you get rolling, and you may have guessed it, no startup cost or any monthly membership fees of any kind. This is free to join. Now I'll go over who we are and what you'll be doing, about us and underwriting, the free training and support, the compensation, how much you get paid, right? And finally, how to get started in this amazing home-based business opportunity. I am Ray Janucki, and my wife Lisa and I are the founders of Merchant Cash Fast. We are also the regional directors for the underwriting team, and we will also be a huge support system for you going through this in your new home-based business. In this business, you'll have an amazing edge because you'll be earning income by helping other business owners make their companies thrive in the form of loans, helping them get funding for their businesses, albeit for remodeling, renovation, expansion, whatever the case may be. Lisa and I have been in the home-based business industry for almost 14 years now and love helping people get their businesses up and helping them find success from home as we have. Lisa is the regional director with our underwriting company and will handle the submission of all of your deals to make sure they go in correctly and you get paid fast. Our underwriters have been in business since 2007 and funding companies all over the United States for 12 years now. They have funded over 100,000 companies and lent them over $8 billion. Yes, that's billion with a B. And although I have not heard this officially yet, I'm pretty sure we recently surpassed the $9 billion mark. So we're anything but the new kids on the block. Now for the free training and support. Once you get your enrollment survey filled out and submitted, I'll go over that in a moment, you will begin the 5-day teleconference training class. Now, it's always better to attend it live so you can ask questions as they come up. However, we all understand that, you might be working a job or have other commitments and you cannot always make it to every call. Therefore, the 5 classes will be recorded and emailed to you in case you missed it. That way you can go over it and learn. Then you will graduate and you're ready to go. After graduation, there is a live question and answer session with the president of marketing twice per week so you can continue to learn your new home business and succeed. And of course, you will have access and the ability to call Lisa or myself in between for any additional help you may need. Okay, the compensation. This is pretty important, right? How do you get paid? Your commission is 5% of the first 2 deals you submit that get funded, and then 7% for every deal you submit that gets funded from then on. This is amazing because our average loan amount is $112,000. The minimum is $2,500, the maximum is $1 million, and the average is $112,000. Why do you care? Because that means your average commission is $7,840. That means every time you get a deal funded, on average, you're going to make $7,840. You can see how easy it is to start accumulating some great wealth here. The first year average income here is $300,000 for a real go-getter. So the question really is, how much are you willing to work your new home business? How much do you want to get of that money? So if you're a go-getter, you can do $300K your first year. If not, be a little bit less. That's really all up to you. These loans are funded in 5 to 7 business days, and you will be paid a few days after that. All that, and you haven't even been asked for $1 of your money. Pretty exciting, don't you think? So big commissions, get paid quick. Nobody's ever asked you for a dime. It's just time to go to work. So now, how do you get started? Let's do it right now. Head over to merchantcashfast.com right now. That's merchantcashfast.com. Head there right now. Once you're on the page, pick the Join Us tab right here. Now you're on the Join Us page. Go ahead and click the orange bar that says Fill Out Survey right there. It is a short questionnaire to see if you qualify. It only takes a few minutes to complete. Please answer all of the questions because incomplete surveys will not be responded to. So go ahead, click the button, fill it out, and submit it. Then Lisa or myself will contact you within 1 to 2 business days, and we so look forward to helping you thrive in your new home-based business. Once again, my name's Ray Janukian, making it an amazing day, and we look forward to hearing from you.